Take some time to gather herbs, to clean and dry them take some work. Red clover blooming in the fields, treasures that God's creation yields. Tender nettles in the spring, before the flowers start to sing. Picked while young and full of life, nature's blessings free of strife. Dandelion roots beneath the sod, growing quietly where they're trod. Carefully washed and gently peeled, hidden gifts from nature's field. The earth still whispers if we hear lessons precious, pure and clear. Simple gifts from God's own hand, growing all across the land. Rivers of healing flowing free, a gift from God for you and me. Fresh air, sunshine, water and rest, following heaven's simple best. Nature's treasures, rich and old, worth far more than silver or gold. If fresh turmeric can't be found, powdered turmeric still abounds. 1 tablespoon in water clear, for 2 liters through the year. Golden color, golden glow, a simple drink our grandparents knew. From garden past to countryside, God's provision still supplies. Red clover, dandelion, tender nettles, fresh spring water, sunshine, trust in God. Rivers of healing flowing still, following our Maker's will. Fresh air, sunshine, water and rest, trusting Jesus, heaven's best. Nature points our hearts above to the Savior's endless love. From the meadows, from the hills, from the forests and the fields, every blessing speaks His name. Yesterday, today the same. Jesus, healer of the soul, making broken people whole.